You are given the root of a binary tree. The task is to find the minimum depth of the tree. The minimum depth is the number of nodes along the shortest path from the root node to to the nearest node possible. Okay, so yeah, to the leaf node. Sorry, not the nearest node. So yeah, how we can solve this problem? I guess in the previous problems, I guess we faced something similar to that, and I guess we can do this by recursion. You could like use a recursive function to try to find the depth in the right and depth in the left, and we return the min depth in the right or the left. So again, a key concept that we have to put in mind, like a leaf node is a node with no children, like both left and right are null. The minimum depth is determined by the shortest path to any left node. This problem can be solved recursively, as we said. Like we can just create a recursive function that will visit all the right and all the left until we find leaf node in the right, leaf node in the left, and we compare both of them. Okay, how we can do that? So I said a recursive function. A recursive function means it's a function that will call itself to visit the right and the left. Before doing anything, we need to think about base cases. Where are these base cases? That means at these cases, we will force the function to stop calling itself. So the function will not call itself infinitely. So we can just if no root, if there is nothing to if there is nothing to find, we return 0. So if the tree is empty, the depth is 0. Okay, I would say that if we have root dot left, if we have root dot left, we return min depth again, and I put root dot root dot right plus 1. And here if root dot right, here left, that's plus 1. Okay, so if one subtree is null, we return the depth of the other subtree. If doesn't equal, so if we doesn't have root dot left, we return it. It doesn't have root dot right, we return it. Okay, so this one is other base case. If one subtree is null, we return the depth of the other subtree plus 1. Okay, if both subtrees are not null, so we need to return the minimum depth. How will you do that? So we return Math.min let's call this again, min depth root dot left, and I guess we had to do the same here, and root dot right, and plus 1. Okay, so I guess we are done here. Let's try to run it. Submit. Okay. As usual, I will just end the video here. But I have discovered that in a recursive function, I need to put some more additional thoughts, or maybe let's say that additional infos. Because it's not that easy to understand. Specifically, let's try to talk about this one. So, okay, where we are, let me try to understand it. Okay, so we need to return the minimum depth. So this line is part of the recursive solution to calculate the minimum depth of a binary tree. let's understand what it does. First, we have min depth root dot left and min depth root dot right. The min depth root dot left, this calculates the minimum depth of the left subtree of the current node by making a recursive call to call its next node. And we have minimum min depth dot right. This calculates the minimum depth of the right subtree of the current node by making a recursive call. And we have Math.min. Math.min is used to find the smaller of two depths. If the left subtree has smaller depth, the value is returned. If the right subtree has smaller depth, the value is returned. This ensured we are finding the shortest path of the leaf node, which is the goal of this problem. The +1 here, we added. So the +1 accounts for the current node itself. Like for example, if the shortest path to a leaf node through either the left or the right subtree is x, adding 1 includes the current node in the depth. So if we want to take an example, let me take an example to make this one easier for you guys. I guess 3 should be here. Yeah, let's assume that we have this tree. Okay. So the min depth will be 9, which will be equals to 1. Like left subtree has 1 depth. The min depth of 20 is 2. Right subtree has 2 depth, like 7 or 15. The min depth 1 plus 2, 1 and 2 plus 1, it will equals, basically we will have, I guess we have 2 because we take the minimum 1. We can take more example, like we can take some examples, like, let's stop this one. We can take this as an example as well, like this is a tree. So here the min depth is 0 because there is no left subtree. The min depth of 3 is 4 if we edit this current node. And the math.min depth, it will be 0 and 3, so we'll take 0 and we will +1, it will be 1. Since one subtree is missing, which is null, we ignore the math.min and only take the, I guess we take the one of these two, I don't remember which one. And yeah, so this line ensures that the recursive calculates the minimum depth for the entire tree by combining the shortest depth of the left and right subtrees, accounting for the current node. It's a key to finding the shortest path to a leaf node efficiently. Let me know if you like a further clarification. I'm trying my best in order to describe the recursive problems, because it's not that easy to understand. But anyway, that's it for this video, and see you in the future.